Hey guys, so today I have a squishy package from Absolutely Home on Instagram. I will put their Instagram name down below in the description, but let's go ahead and get started. The first squishy is the new Hello Kitty Christmas donut. It is so cute. I love the tags for these ones. I think it's very clever and cute. These are also extremely squishy. There are 3 different designs for these. So slow rising. It has a really cute little design up here. Super adorable. Then we have the tooth squishy, and it is so cute. If you have not seen this, it is absolutely the most adorable tooth I've ever seen in my entire life. It is by Cutie Creative, and they did such a good job with it. I love the packaging. There's like a toothbrush up here and toothpaste on top of the tooth, and a little cute smile. Very squishy. And slow rising. And this one is supposed to smell like soap, but I think it actually smells kind of like shaving cream. So cute, look at that little face! Then there is the blue marshmallow cake, and I'm actually going to be decoing this here in a minute, but this is really super cute. I absolutely love the marshmallow cakes. I think they're really cute. Then as an extra, they sent me this really cute necklace with an H on it, and that's so thoughtful and sweet, so thank you so much for that. It's really super adorable. It has little gems in it. Thank you so much. That was really sweet. And I got these little crackers in here, rice crackers. So thank you for those. So again, these are from Absolutely Home on Instagram. Make sure you go and check them out. But let's go ahead and get into the decoing.